months ago, I got my license with Ambrish Quick Patente. I had been procrastinating for quite a while and really convincing myself that I just couldn't do it because I needed to get my Italian up to the right level, up to A2, at least A2, so I could understand the questions, because the questions being Italian was a major mental block for me. And it really was at the stage where I just simply had to get my license. I couldn't keep procrastinating about it and doing Italian instead of studying for my license any longer. In fact, I sat at home for 2 years, having to pay somebody to drive us to run errands. And then I joined Ambrish Quick Patente, and I was very nervous in the beginning because I didn't really speak Italian. I mean, to say my Italian is A1, that's even an exaggeration. And so what I was doing when these questions were coming up in the lesson is I was desperately looking for any word that I recognized in Italian to try and decipher the question. And that's when I realized that that's pretty much what a lot of Ambrish's method is about. He is telling you what words to look for so you know how to answer the question. So it's really not about knowing how to speak Italian. It's about listening to Ambrish and listening to which words he tells you to look out for. And so when you see them in your brain, you know exactly what to do. So if not having great Italian is holding you back from getting your driver's license, I strongly recommend that you do your lessons with Ambrish Quick Patente, because you will very quickly learn that knowing how to pass your driver's license and knowing how to speak Italian are actually two different skills. They're not the same one. And you can do it. You can do it. Just, attend the lessons every day. The repetition is important. Having that routine every day where you sit down at the same time and you have the repetition, that's all part of Ambrish's methods, and it works. And I can tell you absolutely that even with very, very poor Italian, if you stick to it, within 3 months, just do what Ambrish says and you'll be fine. You'll be driving, just like me.